everyone, welcome back to Hedgehog Hollow. So today we're trying out one of my clearance finds. I was at Hobby Lobby the other day and I found this pack. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's an ink dauber kit from Bria Reese. I've been trying out a few of her things. Some are hit, some are miss, but this one is a hit. So I'm going to add links below in case you don't have a Hobby Lobby or something near you and you can grab these. I found them online, but they did have them reduced down and also the extra sponges as well. But what I really liked about it is it's a bit different. I know we all have a million ink daubers, so I can hear you shouting, oh, just another version. Well, it's not. It's actually different to what we have elsewhere. You, of course, get your little tool, but you then get a sponge foamy, you get a foam foamy, and you get a coarse, like a scrubber almost, foamy. Now, you probably could make those at home, but it's all done for you. And the one thing I really liked about their design, because you know I'm an engineer, so I do kind of think about those things, is it just has, because it's coarse, it just sticks straight onto my piece here. Also, the Velcro doesn't lift up, as many of us know on previous ones. And then on these small ones, they just have a small round area that pops up, and it's not hard to pull off. You know, sometimes like we're really trying hard to pull off. I just like the design. It was just a cool idea. Anyway, I tried these out when I was trying out some other new products. I've had some sitting on my desk for a while. I'm like, okay, I need to have a session and sit down and try some things out. A lot of things I do try for the first time in videos because I want a first reaction. But there are a few things I kind of get carried away when I'm crafting and I might try out and then I decide to do a video on. And this is one of them. So I have done a few comparisons. I'll show you how it works in a second. But I created these tags. And I'm going to add these to my Inktoberfest tags. If you join me along for Inktoberfest, you'll have an amazing tag book. We did a tag every single day with a different ink technique. You can still check them out. They're on the channel the last 2 years that we've done it. And we create a tag every day that you can put in a tag book. And then you have all of these amazing tips and techniques. So these I'm going to add in. So this is the foam. And this is the sponge. And this is the coarse. So that's how they go on there. And you can see the difference of blending. So I've done 4 different things on here. So this side of my tag on all of them is my oxide. And then this side is just my regular distress. I use spice marmalade. So they're that way around. I'll put them at the top here. And then at the top, I blended on from the glass. And on the bottom, I blended on from the Easy Clean that adds on here. Because you'll find that when you're blending from Easy Clean or from glass, you will get different effects. And you can see this right here. You know, from the glass, you can get a more kind of subtle look. With the Easy Clean, the ink slides more and you get a more intense effect. And the other thing I did was I just took my tool, I put the item on, and then I just did like a little swizzle at the top so you can see what it looks like. So the sponge is a little bit more open. You do get a more solid piece in the middle. The coarse I really love. Look how cool this is. I'm going to lift this up so you can see. I think this is super cool. And then the foam is different to the other foams we're used to. Look, it's far more solid. And this is just with distress ink. It's not the oxide. This is just regular distress ink. And so what I did was I went through, I blended with my oxide from the glass, I blended with my distress from the glass, and then I did the same on the Easy Clean. And I really like with the coarse, look how these came out. So you see how you get a nice kind of solid edge. Imagine you're like edging something and you want to fade it out into an ombre or something like that. This, I think, is great, this coarse one for that, because you do get that really nice subtlety. You also kind of get some little flecks in it as well. I don't know if you can see those. But those flecks look a little bit more vintagey. So I think this is a really cool thing. The sponge, kind of similar to the things we use now, but still not the same as blending foam. And again, the foam is not the same as blending foam because it's like a solid core foam. It's almost like the inside of a foam board. So literally all I did was I put, I already have one on there. So I put it on, I did a swizzle round so you can see, and then I blended from my glass, and then I had my Easy Clean mat on here and I blended. So really try out your surfaces because it's not just your dauber, and as much as I absolutely love these, that's going to change. My tips are change your dauber tip because you're going to get different effects like this, but also change the surface you blend from. Not just your paper. Your paper will make a difference too, but also the surface, whether you're blending from an Easy Clean mat, your glass mat, just your work surface, you will end up with different effects. And they're things you already have. You don't have to necessarily go and get something new to try those things out. So you can try all those things you've got at home and create all of these cool things as well. So my review on this one is they are definitely a hit, particularly if you can find them on the Hobby Lobby clearance. If not, as I say, added links below, plus of course the Hedgehog Hollow coupon code. So I would recommend going out and buying these like I did. I love them. I think they're super cool. I'm going to try and see if I can get some more refills while they're still on clearance. So That's my tip for today. Try out different textures with your blending and try out different surfaces because they will make a difference. And then go check out Inktoberfest and create your tags if you haven't already, because you can just keep adding to it when you learn a new tip or technique. So thanks for joining me. Be sure to hit subscribe, ring the bell, because I'll be back tomorrow with another tip trick tutorial or maybe something a little bit different. Of course, hit join for extra savings beyond those that are in the description below, and you'll get a Hedgehog Hollow birthday card and some other fun perks too. So I will see you again tomorrow. In the meantime, happy crafting and have a great day. I'll see you then. Bye.